Yo dudes, welcome to €1 pasta bake. This takes 35 minutes, is incredibly tasty. It makes 6 portions and it only cost us €5.50, you can see there. So less than €1 per portion and you'll genuinely be amazed at how tasty this is. Okay, first step, we're gonna preheat our oven. Ours is preheated to 190 degrees. I've got 100 grams of cashew nuts. I went all out. I've got organic ones and I'm gonna soak these for a cashew cream. I'm gonna leave them to sit for 10 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna prep our veg. So we got lots of veg for even with this little tight budget. And if you like, the secret is to get lots of the veg that are in season or on special. Chop them up into whatever size you like. But if you do chop them finer, they're all gonna cook quicker and just gonna leave more room for caramelization. So I'm gonna chop these into kind of nice little half moon slices. We've got 1 whole head of garlic. Chop the top off it, pop straight in like that. Another red onion. I just think they go real sweet once they go no charred and caramelized. They're just gonna add a really beautiful extra layer of flavor to this dish. And finally, just 2 carrots. Carrots were cheap, so we got 2 carrots. Alright, here we go. Nice generous pinch of salt over each one. It's gonna help draw the moisture out, enabling more caramelization. And we're gonna go with a tablespoon of oil over each one. Leave the oil out if you want to reduce the calories, but it'll just enable more caramelization. Take your clean hands, and voila. So we try to make vegan cooking as easy as possible. So we're here gonna let the oven do the work. Give a thumbs up if you agree. If you want to learn the secrets of how to cook without recipes, join our vegan cooking course and vegan baking course. It's on discount now. You won't be doing it alone. You'll learn how to cook without recipes. And not only that, will you have access to our other 10 lifestyle changing courses with medical experts. There's yoga, workout, community, there's live events. It's incredible. Link down below to learn more. Give the gift of health this Christmas. Cheers. Back to the recipe now. Okay, while they're in the oven, we're gonna boil our pasta. So I have boiling water into a large pan. Pop it on high heat. We pop in our salt. We're gonna add in a generous pinch of salt. Ideally, when boiling pasta, your water should be the same salinity of seawater. We're using wholemeal pasta because it's higher in fibre, so if you can, it's just better for you. So we're going with a full 500 gram pack of penne. We use whatever pasta you prefer. Yeah, don't use spaghetti. Spaghetti doesn't bake well. So that's gonna take 9 to 10 minutes. We're gonna leave that boil away and we're gonna make our cashew cream. So take your soaked cashew nuts and we're gonna drain, and really important step is to give them a good rinse. So into our blender we have our soaked cashew nuts. 1 clove of garlic, just chop it a little bit finer just to make it easier on your blender or your food processor. Okay, we have 400 ml of water. We're using tap water because it's free. Nice generous pinch of salt. And I'm gonna go with a little splash of vinegar, clear vinegar of choice. I'm going apple cider. Boom. Okay, pop the lid on, and it's really important you blend this until it's super creamy and smooth. Okay, cashew cream is done. You know, leave that just there for a sec while I drain our pasta. So pasta I really like with penne when it's nice and al dente. The way I always know that it's done is you see the little kind of small white line. It's a very small white line. I like a little bit of bite to mine. Some people like it overcooked. Again, cook it to the way you like it. So let's drain and rinse that just so it's ready to go. Okay, veg are all baked. It's been about 20-25 minutes in the oven. You want to wait until they're nice and caramelized. Yeah, if you can give time, the oven just helps really caramelize things beautifully. So we've got our cashew cream. I'm going to take our head of garlic that we've roasted and just pop in all the cloves. Just going to add a real subtle undercarriage of roasted garlic to this dish. Take our can of chopped tomatoes, pop it in on top. Take a nice pinch of salt. And it goes. A little pinch of black pepper too. Okay, time to bring this dish together. So we have our pasta in the base. Pop in all our roasted veg in on top. Pour our sauce in on top of that. Really important step, just taste and season as you go. So just give it a little taste. Just. Lovely. I love salt. Okay, grab your pot and we're just gonna pour it all in. Okay, so it looks beautiful. I'm gonna bake that for about 10 minutes until it goes crispy and caramelized. If you did have a little bit of breadcrumbs, pop them over the top. They're just gonna be crispy and you're just gonna get more variety of texture. Please subscribe to this channel if you wanna learn how to cook easy, tasty, delicious plant-based recipes that are gonna be healthier for you and healthier for the planet. And if you'd subscribe, we'd be delighted. Okay, in it goes into the oven. We're gonna bake it for 10 minutes. Okay, we left it bake for about 10 minutes, just until it goes a little bit crispy around the edges. And voila! Looks great, I'm starving. Okay, so the main purpose of this video is just to show you that healthy kind of plant-based foods can be cheap, affordable, as well as really, really tasty. So here you are, just to show you this, how lovely and creamy it is. So I was sticking to our $5.50 that we spent, but you could have put breadcrumbs, herb breadcrumb across the top. You could have put loads of different stuff, olives, sun-dried tomatoes, really kind of pimped it up. But I guess the whole purpose of this was to show you that healthy plant-based food can be cheap, tasty, and genuinely delicious. Thanks a million for watching. Click the link down below to subscribe, and bye.